Hello everybody, I'm going to quickly show you how you can make your computer quicker. To begin, go down over here, type in storage, click that icon right here or right here. Now we can go to click the temporary files, give it a minute to populate, and you can go ahead and leave the default checked. If you do want to empty your download folder, you can check that, and that will delete everything in your download folder. Or if you want to empty your trash bin, you can check that as well. And then it will tell you at the top here how much it will remove and how much free space you will now have. I have about 10 gigabytes. Then you can click remove, and then that will go ahead and remove all of the options that you picked and free up storage on your computer and make your computer run quicker in general. I hope that helped you. If it did, drop a like. Thank you again.